Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming your Outlook version so the steps match. Once done, back up your current view with a quick export or screenshot. This saves time if you revert. Now open Outlook and go straight to File or Settings. Don't wander through menus. You're about to change themes, reading pane, and layout. Make sure to keep the app open and your mailbox selected so changes apply to the account you intend. Let's move to Appearance options. You'll adjust the core appearance next. First, open View or General Personalize and select Theme, Light, Dark, or Colorful, because theme alters contrast and glare. Then change Layout. Show or hide the reading pane, to-do bar, and folder pane to optimize focus versus context. Also set message density and preview lines, and change the default font for composing so messages look consistent. Once these are set, review how mail list spacing and conversation view affect scanning speed. You're close. Apply changes and restart Outlook to ensure all settings take effect. Once restarted, scan several inbox items to confirm fonts, theme, and panes behave as expected. If something looks off, revert using your backup screenshot or reset specific settings in View or General. If problems persist, clear the Outlook cache, install updates, and disable suspicious add-ins. These often block visual updates. If needed, repeat only the last step to avoid undoing other customizations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.